So yesterday we were at a pretty cool little car show in Arcadia. I just filmed this, late model Dodge Challenger, sort of swung past the three of them sitting together. Then the green one, I sort of went, hey, hang on a minute. Why has it only got one rear flare? That's a bit odd. Anyway, the car beside it left, and then I had a bit more of a look. I went, hang on, this has got like drag slicks on the back. And why is there no passenger seat? This is really weird, So we spotted the guy talking to someone else and said, oh, is this your car? So he started telling us that this is a Dodge Challenger Demon SRT 170. Basically, it's a factory-delivered drag car. So this comes as it is. It's lightweight. They've removed, you can see all the boot or trunk carpet's gone. There's no sound deadening throughout the car. He ordered it. No passenger seat, no rear seat belts, as much weight as he can out of it. They basically make 1,050 horsepower on E85. You can see it's got the 315 drag slicks. Here's the order sheet. You can see the base price and everything like that. There was 3,300 of these made. So from the factory, it's allegedly capable of 8.9 quarter miles. I think he said 0 to 100 was like 1.6 seconds. I mean, that's damn fast. He had to sign a waiver to say that he wouldn't drive it in the rain. But factory delivered, you can see there's the order sheet with the delete stuff. The interior, he left it as it was. So that's how they delivered it, like all the stickers on it and all the little tags and all the bits and pieces. This is what the interior would look like once it's all cleaned up. So we just thought it was pretty cool that you can go to Dodge and order a 9-second drag car, street driven. I don't know about Rego, but yeah, we just thought it was super cool. Hope you enjoy.